Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts. Ever wondered how to turn on comments on YouTube using just your phone? Well, let's dive right in. Alright, so let's open the YouTube app. No need to switch to YouTube Studio or anything fancy like that. Here's how you do it. First, tap on Profile or Library at the bottom right corner. Then, you'll see your videos in the middle. Now, depending on how active your channel is, you might see a lot more here, but for demonstration purposes, I'll click on your videos. When you select a video, tap on those three dots, then select Edit. Scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see Comments with a toggle button. Click on it, and you'll have the option to either allow all comments once you've made your choice, hit Save. And just like that, comments are now enabled on your video. See, it's as easy as pie. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.